Today we have some fascinating creature to introduce to you. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn more about these incredible reptiles as we bring them out for a closer look. So without further ado, let's dive into the world of reptiles. The green iguana. Scientific name is iguana iguana. They are variation of common green iguana with a red body, green belly, rough skin, spine cover their back. This fascinating creature has spiky tail, razor sharp feet, and sizes ranging from about 2 feet to 6 feet. Their remarkable eyesight allows them to discover prey or identify danger from the great distance. Herbivores by nature, they feast on diet of fruits, vegetables, insect, and adapt serious fibers with a lifespan up to 20 years. Here's with proper care. No health issue like metabolic disease and respiratory infection can occur without proper husbandry.
Alam mo, nasa script yun, di ba?
Is she there? Wala daw! There she is! Our Burmese python! Sunshine! Burmese python is one of the largest snake in the world.
Sabi ko na kanina ahas eh.
And can weigh
It's so predictable.
pounds. As you can see from their color, they cannot grow clubs in the wild. So that makes them an easy prey. Your hand like this? Look at the camera and smile.
Smile. Yung ahas daw mag-smile.
Alright, round of applause for our volunteer. And so we are going to sit and thank you. So this is with Bogan, Trainer Danny with Iggy, Trainer RJ and Trainer Ace, and Trainer Jerry with Sunshine. And I'm Trainer McCoy. Thank you for joining.
Uy, lobat na. Pero sige, go.
Yes, oh, welcome our dog racing bird,
Kakatsu, sabi ko na.
This bird can be found in eastern and Indonesia, and they are the largest
Layang magiliw. Sila nga.
There you go, the show is at the dog racing bird, Jackal together, Trainer Dog.
Parang ano lang. Parang ano, beauty pageant.
Hello everybody, welcome to East Coast of Australia. These are developers and communities of Philippine sounds. They live in all seeds, nuts, fruits such as durian, papaya, and rambutan. And they also love corn. Now guys, do you have a medical mind eating already? If it is, then you can do it. That's all.
You can do it, Dazo.
Okay, that's all.
Dazo? Hello, Dazo. Tindrain lang nasa gitna yun. Wala ka na ibang pipiliin kung sa gitna.
Your next future bird is just
Parrot.
very factor for that. When you're on the right, that was 80 couple with the best in our relationship. You will always be fun, mean, sassy, and rocky. Our little pair of green wings. But today, you're walking out to see who's the best in the basketball game. But before we start, let me invite you into the group. Now all girls, let's cheer for sassy. Come on, girls. Let me hear your cheer. Sassy, sassy, sassy.
Sisa. Sisa.
All right, let's cheer for Rocky. Come on, boys.
See you.
Let me hear your
See you.
cheer. Rocky, Rocky, Rocky. Okay, so let's do it. Get ready. Get ready, get that go. And get a go for those two. And follow by some. And we're gonna go to Rocky. And then by some, and the winner is Rocky. Greater Lina, what do you say about that? This time.
Hold it.
So, Trio Vina wants another race.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
Parang
Well,
binabasa
this
mo.
time I guarantee you that Sassy would win.
O sige, naglaro na.
So what race do you have in mind?
I'm thinking about the relays.
So, what is the ring race?
The first bird who can log 3 wings into the pool, the fastest is the winner. And that is the relays.
So, the ring race itself. Now, remember guys, the boys have already 1 point. So, this time, the cheers lousy 2 in this round. And the ring race. So, let's do this again. Trainers ready. Players ready, set, and go. And for the first ball, goes to Rock. Hey, what's that? Trainer Jerry.
Scripted.
Hey, you guys cheated!
Oh, he thinks we cheated.
No, we didn't keep Sassy. Use her brain.
Oh, is it true that girls are more intelligent than boys? I'm not wrong for Sassy
Sa babae yun.
together with Trainer Jerry and Trainer Vina.
Tapos na? Tapos na.
Two borrowed in purposes only be intelligent and persistent. That's why we're looking to get the skills and that's good call. So here's Sassy once again. Sassy will show us on Philippine Street Fight with the back to shake to get a few weeks left.
Ay, mama.
Come on, Sassy.
Wala walang kobo dito ko yan. Ha? Bawal walang kobo. Bawal walang.
And we are also known as the Gentle Giants of the
Isa pa. 3.
Because they're the largest next to it. Come on. We can go up to Mexico City, Brazil, and then we go up to
Tapos biglang may hangin. Ano kaya yun?
usually be on sea,
Parang wala.
not south,
Kaya nga parang.
barrels, along the river. So they mission for us as we converge from Paramount to John and down in the margin. And we get the first number. How about the second number? Well, happy was number 3. The time to leave our song.
7 plus 6 equals.
With the rest of the guys. I think Robbie's got you leading. As you met, you just make your way from the Rocky. And he is the number 3.
Paano yun?
What they are not against for today. And here's your money. Around the ball for nothing else. And let's
Galing siya dun sa second floor.
Here comes Sunod. Veronica is technically known as a Yasur Hindus, one of the prominent competitions of the first era.
Saan napunta?
This bird can be found in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, China, and including here in the Philippines. And they are also locally known as Lawin or Bano in this highest region. And we have also our homing pigeons. Homing pigeon has its nickname, homing ability, meaning to generate tenderness and dream. How about a round of applause for our raptors and homing pigeons? Here they turn out some part legally that there is hope. We're not trying to test our presidency, but also
Kaya na pinapanood ka. Ay, bumaba.
now guys, who knows that we are what our goals? It's reduce, reuse, and recycle. Now let's go again, our lovebirds, and they're gonna show us all the proper ways to
Nagpakitang-gilas talaga. Ay, doon na nag-landing. Ngayon, na basketball na dito. Napagod din. Asan ba?
Hello, everyone! design. On the left side is the eldest female South American sea lions that we have here. And according to our trainer, she is the smartest. Come with that. Her name is Jenny. Together they say hi. While on the other side is the youngest female South American sea lions that we have here. And according to our trainer, she is the cutest. So, don't be shy, girl. Her name is Ayaw. Together, Dahil, say hello. Now, guys, let's continue. Do you have any idea where golfing or feather dribbling mamas? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey, ladies, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which is shaped like a bird's wings. See those? The term Philippines may also be translated as wing-footed, since their flippers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they were to be flying underwater as this wavefront takes place, right, Sila and France? And did you know, they're often mistaken like a seal because they look very much alike. But some people have said between a seal and a sea lions is the fact that they have bigger front flippers. And they can also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As are soft, they can walk right while on land. And that's a fine demonstration. How about our boss or Sila France? And you know what, guys? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? How about our dogs or Sila France? As you can see, their body is covered with a thin coat of short coarse hair. And their whiskers help the sea lion's sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers, which make them sensitive. Nice fun! Hey! And they will also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibration from playing the water. And their small ears give them a good sense of hearing both above and below the water surface. Sila is the marine animals can see both above and underwater. They have a keen eyesight but no color vision. In the wild, they inhabit water close to shore, flat right between tide pools, and they have water for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbabilities, which can easily scale rocky cliffs. Check this out. Surely strong front flippers. Now let's talk about their video, please, and let's start with Ayla, the cutest. Sea lions can generate cruise at around 11 miles per hour using the rolling movements of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudder for steering. And that is the normal swim. Nice and easy. Thanks so much, Ayla and their jelly. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve over speed up to 25 miles per hour. And that is so fast. How about our boss for Yemi, the smartest? Wow, nice slide. And another one. She deserves it. Now, here's an interesting story about our sea lions. Did you know that the U.S. Navy has trained a few of them to be part of the special operation? Yup, that's right. They're able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes. And they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best Navy divers would be envious of. And since they cannot be detected by radar underwater, they are taught to recognize a void underwater mines. So trainers, ladies, are you ready? Well then, salute. Now let's start. Ready, guys? Up, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, salute. This time, could you please join our Sila and friends in a salute? In a count of 3, everybody please salute and make this one and loud. People of the crowd, are you ready? Hey guys, I can't hear you. Are you ready? Now let's go. 1, 2, 3, salute everybody. Thank you so much. Those sea lions are to search and recover equipment from the water. Hey, two balls. So trainers, come first. Their legs, gun to the ring. Still alive, friends. And they got it. Purpose or sea lion, friends. Great job, ladies. You got your black win. And another one. They're asking for that. So trainers, what next? The ball. How do you think they get the balls? It's a ball match. Careful, ladies. Almost there. Careful. Come on, Yanni. Sayawan. Fantastic. Cover our boss, our CI friends. Excellent work, ladies. This time, would you love to see a dance number from our CI friends? Hey guys, where's the energy? Would you love to see a dance? Now, Lego, Maestro. For the great dance masterpiece, so weird. We hope you all enjoy spending your afternoon here at the Hotel with a group of friends, the South American students, Yenny and Aloha. And we also hope that even after you leave, you will take experiencing you were watchful environments. So let's keep our surroundings clean. Aside from pollution, there are many other threats to the survivors all over the world, such as climate change and illegal hunting. You can know about these inside our scenario. Always keep in mind that we are seaward of our planet, and thus each one of us must do what we can to protect and conserve all inhabitants of our Mother Earth, including ourselves. So on behalf of Yenny and her ace, Ayla, Terjali, all of us in the Monica and Manila Ocean Park, we would like to thank you everyone for visiting us today. We hope you all enjoy and visit us again soon. So take care and have a nice day. Say goodbye to our Sila friends. Say goodbye now. By the way guys, if you love to have some souvenir photos with the birds and sea lions, please approach our friendly photographer over here wearing a white polo t-shirt.